Welcome back. We've already worked on your mindset, but today, we're getting practical. It's time to build your physical command center. As a solo mom entrepreneur, your workspace isn't just a desk, it's your fortress. You might think, I don't have a spare room for an office, but here's the secret. A focus zone isn't about square footage, it's about psychology. Even if your office is just 2 feet of a kitchen counter, we're going to optimize it so the second you sit down, your brain knows it's time to execute. First, let's talk about the Sniper Crosshair. To be productive in those tiny windows of time between snacks and naps, you need 0 distractions. In our busy homes, clutter like mail and toys piles up fast. Every stray item is a tiny pull on your brain. By clearing your space, you're telling yourself that your work is professional and important. You aren't just a mom on a laptop. You are a CEO at her workstation. Next, you need an energy barrier. Since we work where we live, the lines between laundry and business get blurred. Use a visual cue, like a small plant or a vision board, to trigger a shift in your mood. It's the difference between feeling stuck in a corner and feeling like you're building an empire. Finally, the isolation zone. Silence is a luxury we rarely have. This is where noise-canceling headphones become your best friend. They create an invisible wall between you and the chaos. Your mission today is to create your mini fortress. Clear one surface, add one motivating item, and grab those headphones. Your environment either feeds your focus or drains it. Let's make sure it feeds yours. See you in the next lesson.